Is my cat dying? Research has revealed that during the last 3 months of their lives, cats stay close to you to spread their scent, as if they are saying to other cats, I was living with this person. When the illness becomes severe, she may become nervous and not like to be touched, and she may even stop eating and drinking, even if you try to lure her with her favorite food. Then she begins to hide in quiet and hidden places. And when you find her hiding place, she changes it immediately, as she is worried that she may bring predators when she leaves and may cause you problems. And that is why she chooses hidden places. Even when she is in her last moments, she is worried about your safety.